Select Polygon tool, hold Ctrl and draw a polygon of 8 sides. Select Rectangle tool, hold Ctrl and draw a square. Click on Scalloped corner. Select Shape tool and drag. Hold the center and place it on the top corner of polygon. Place the pivot point at the center of polygon. Hold Ctrl and rotate to 45 degree. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl-R to repeat. Select all and click on Weld. Create a copy and decrease the size of the objects. Select both the objects and increase the line thickness. Keep the object selected. Go to Objects, Convert Outline to Object, Ctrl plus Shift plus Q. Use Blend tool to create number of copies in between these objects. Increase the number of steps. Change the color of inner and outer object using Interactive Fill tool.